Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily purchase Heroes Ticket Pack in the EA Sports FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can charge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started. You can jump directly into the Heroes event and then tap this Heroes Expedition chapter. So in this Heroes Expedition chapter, you need the Heroes ticket. You can earn this ticket from the Heroes Expedition chapter and use as the ticket to search for the heroic folder. This one. You can open this heroic folder and earn reward. You need 100 tickets. So you can earn from this Heroes Academy, play skill game and also play match game. And also you can purchase this Heroes ticket by this is a FC point. You can buy with 50 FC point or 400 FC point, and also you can exchange with pass point. Let's get back to the home page. Tap the store button and then tap this exchange. This one, there are two ways how you can get this Heroes ticket. The first way, you can purchase this Heroes ticket by exchange with 1 pass point, 1 Heroes ticket. And also you can purchase with this. If you still have a TOTY token, you can purchase this Heroes ticket. 5 TOTY token with 1 Heroes ticket. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.